Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to install Tubi TV on your Firestick. Let's get started. So first things first, I'd like to mention you can use Tubi TV anywhere without signing in, and it would be better if you did sign in so you have access to your viewing history, watch list, and great access to your favorite movies and TV shows. To register for Tubi TV, all you have to do is visit tubitv.com/signup. Go ahead and register via your Facebook or your email address, and there you go. You have now successfully registered. Now, to install Tubi TV on Fire Stick, you first have to visit the Amazon App Store. Keep in mind, this is an official app, and you don't need to sideload it or install it manually or anything like that. Simply go ahead and search into the Amazon App Store search bar Tubi TV. Once you've done that, it should be one of the first options on the list. Go ahead and click on it, click download, and the download should begin. Now it will take a few minutes for it to download, but once it's done, go ahead and simply click open, and you may start using the app. You have now successfully installed Tubi TV on Firestick. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.